and gentlemen, like we saw a couple of weeks back, Delhi was peaking. I mean, the number of cases almost went to 30,000. And from there, we have seen a very steady, gradual decline as far as the number of cases are concerned. So is the case in Mumbai. But after Delhi and Mumbai, states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu in the south, the number seems to be sharply going up. We just want to present this report to you to just try and understand which states are going to peak now. What is the peaking model? Because the entire country, various states don't have the similar trajectory as far as the COVID-19 is concerned in one go. Certain states now are showing a downward trend. Other states in the southern India and also in northeast are showing an upward trend. So when will those states peak? And overall as a country, when will this second wave start ebbing significantly? Take a look at this story.
The worst is over in Delhi, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. All of these states have well passed their peak. A mathematical model has suggested. This has been done by IIT scientists. Big states like Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Assam are yet to see their peak.
Well, for Punjab, I believe we are very close to the peak. We may already be there, but we just have to wait and see for a few days. But it certainly looks to be really close to peaking. Tamil Nadu is still climbing up. Our model currently projects a peak towards the end of this month. But since they have recently gone into a significant lockdown, that may change things. We have to wait and see for a few days to understand really how the revised trajectory will look like. But for now, our model is suggesting May end.
The model suggests that Tamil Nadu may see a peak between the 29th of May and the 31st of May, while Puducherry may witness a peak between the 19th of May and the 20th of May. States in East and Northeast are yet to see their peak. Assam may see a peak between the 20th and the 21st of May, the model suggests. What about other places in the Northeast?
Meghalaya, we project to peak sometime towards the end of this month. Tripura is going to peak sometime from now towards the end of this month.
In the north, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab are witnessing a surge in cases. Himachal Pradesh may see a peak in the cases by the 24th of May and Punjab by the 22nd of May. States like Maharashtra, UP, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Kerala, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Gujarat and Haryana, besides Delhi and Goa, have already seen their peak.
महाराष्ट्र, केरला, राजस्थान, यूपी, गुजरात और छत्तीसगढ़ में एक कंटिन्यू ट्रेंड टुवर्ड्स डिक्रीज इन एक्टिव केसेस भी नोट किया जा रहा है। दिल्ली जैसे हम आप लोगों की दृष्टि में लाना चाहेंगे, वह वीकली पॉजिटिविटी 25% से घटकर अब 13.6% हो गई है। मध्य प्रदेश 24.2 से 15.2% हो गई है। इसी तरह बिहार, झारखंड, यूपी और गुजरात में वीकली पॉजिटिविटी लेस देन 10% नोट की जा रही है।
What about the third wave of the infection? The model says that it is expected in 6 to 8 months from now and the impact of the same could just be cushioned. Mathematical models help predict the intensity of coronavirus cases and policy decisions can be taken on its basis. The Sutra model came into existence last year after the Department of Science and Technology formed a group of scientists to work on mathematical models to forecast the surge of coronavirus. Susceptible, undetected, tested positive and removed approach is what Sutra model follows. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
At a quick break at this moment on the other